Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn Chinese with Miss Ming. Today, welcome to another Chinese lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to say different home workouts in Chinese. So first, we're going to learn some vocabulary about home workouts, and then we're going to learn how to describe the duration of workout and the repetitions and workout sets. So by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to describe your home workout routine in Chinese. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna warm up. Let's first warm up. To say that in Chinese, 让我们先热身。让我们先热身。让我们 means let us. 先 means first. Warm up is 热身。热 means hot. 身 means body. So basically, we're increasing some body temperature to heat up our body. 让我们先热身。让我们先热身。Alright, now let's look at some of the warm-up exercise. First, 热身 warm up. 热身 warm up. Okay, so the first exercise we're going to do to 热身 is to jump rope. 跳绳，跳绳，跳绳。跳 means jump. 绳 means rope. 跳绳 means jump rope. Let's try again. 跳绳 jump rope. 跳绳 jump rope. To say jump rope for 1 minute, you can say 跳绳1分钟。1分钟 means 1 minute. To describe the duration of a workout, you can first say the workout, the activity name, and then put the time. So again, to say jump rope 1 minute, it's 跳绳1分钟。跳绳1分钟。跳绳1分钟。跳绳1分钟。Next one, jog. Jog is basically run slowly. 慢跑。慢跑。Jogging. 慢跑。慢 means slow. 跑 means run. Jogging is 慢跑. Basically, you're just slowly run. Let's try again. Jogging. 慢跑。To say jogging for 1 minute, you can say 慢跑1分钟。慢跑1分钟。Or you can say jogging for 30 minutes. 慢跑30分钟。慢跑30分钟。Okay, great job. 很好。The next warm-up activity we're going to do today is jumping jack. Jumping jack. Jumping jack actually has a very funny name in Chinese. In Chinese, it's called 跳鞭炮. 跳 means jump. 鞭炮 means firecrackers. So jumping jack is basically jumping firecrackers. Jumping jack. 跳鞭炮. 跳鞭炮. To say jumping jack for 30 seconds, we can say 跳鞭炮30秒. Seconds is 秒. Again, jumping jack for 30 seconds. 跳鞭炮30秒. 跳鞭炮30秒. Okay, so the next warm-up activity is to do high knee. This is to gain mobility of our hip. 高抬腿。高抬腿。高抬腿。高 means high. 抬 means lift. 腿 means legs. So it literally means high lift leg. Again, high knee. 高抬腿。To say high knee for 30 seconds, you can say 高抬腿30秒。高抬腿30秒。 抬腿30秒。Okay, so the next exercise we're going to talk about today is the back kick. Back kick is 后提腿。后 means back. 提 means lift. 腿 means leg. So basically it means back, lift, leg. 后提腿。后提腿。后提腿。So here, you may want to specify left leg or right leg. Left leg is 左腿. 左 means left. Again, left leg, 左腿. Right leg, 右腿. Right is 右, 腿 is leg. So 右腿 is right leg. So we can switch between 左腿 and 右腿. All right, that's it for the warm-up exercise. Let's move on to the workouts. So to say workouts, we're first going to learn how to say repetitions. To say repetitions in Chinese, we use the quantifier word 下. 下. So 1 rep is 一下. 2 rep, 两下. 3 rep, 三下. Usually when we work out, we do 10 repetitions per set. So it's 10下. 10. Most of the times we do more than 1 set. I think a typical number for sets are 3 sets. Usually we do 3 sets of a workout and 10 repetitions in each set. So a set in Chinese is 组. 组. 组 literally means group. So basically, it's a group of repetitions. To say a total of 3 sets is 一共3组. 一共 means a total. 三组 means 3 groups or 3 sets. Let's try again. 一共3组. 一共3组. To say every set has 10 times, then you can say 每组10下. 每组10下. 每 means every or per. 组 means group or set. 10下 means 10 reps. So every group has 10 reps is 每组10下. Together the sentence will be 一共3组. 每组10下. Are you ready to do the workouts? Before we start the workouts, first we need to learn how to say workout or exercise. The word is 运动. 运动. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. The first workout we're going to talk about today is squat. Squat is 蹲起. 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 蹲 means squat. 起 means up. Get up. 蹲起 literally means squat, then get up. Squat, then get up. Again, squat. 蹲起. 蹲起. It literally means squat down, then get up. The next exercise will be lunges. Lunges. Lunges in Chinese is 弓箭步. 弓箭步. And my PE teacher used to shorten it as 弓步. 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 弓 means a bow. Basically, it's the bow that shoots arrow. So 弓箭 means bow and arrow. So 弓箭步 or 弓步 literally means bow and arrow steps. Bow and arrow steps. Again, 弓箭步. 弓箭步. To say lunges 10 times, you can say 弓箭步10下. 弓箭步10下. Lunges 3 sets, every set 10 times. You can say 弓箭步一共3组, 每组10下. To say push-ups in Chinese, it's called 俯卧撑。俯卧撑。俯卧撑。俯 literally means motion of you facing down. 卧 means lying down. So literally 俯卧 means lying on the ground facing down. 撑 means support yourself up. 俯卧撑 literally describes the motion that you're laying down the mat, facing down, and push yourself up. So it describes the whole motion. Okay, I think our model is basically dead at this moment. Let's try again. Push up. 俯卧撑。俯卧撑。俯卧撑。Good job. To say push up for 5 times, you can say 俯卧撑5下。俯卧撑5下。俯卧撑5下。Alright, the next workout of today is plank. Plank in Chinese is called 平板支撑。平板支撑。平板 literally means a plank, a flat board. 支撑 means support. 平板支撑 describes when you support your body like a flat board, like a plank. Let's try again. Plank. 平板支撑。平板支撑。平板支撑。Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! We're halfway done. Come on. You can do it. How many seconds that we hold it? So to say plank for 20 seconds, you can say 平板支撑20秒。Plank for 20 seconds. 平板支撑20秒。平板支撑20秒。Or you can say plank for 3 sets. Each set has 20 seconds. 平板支撑3组，每组20秒。Let's try again. Plank. 平板支撑。Plank for 20 seconds. 平板支撑20秒。The next exercise is sit-ups. Sit-ups in Chinese is 仰卧起坐。仰卧起坐。仰卧 means lying down facing up. 起 means up. 坐 means sit. So 仰卧起坐 literally means laying down facing up and then up you sit. And then you laying down facing up and then up you sit. That's basically the process we describe the sit-ups. Are you ready? 仰卧起坐。仰卧起坐。To say sit-ups for 20 times. 仰卧起坐20下。仰卧起坐20下。仰卧起坐20下。仰卧起坐20下。The next workout of today is laying down bicycle, 卧蹬自行车。卧蹬自行车。Laying down bicycle is called 仰卧蹬自行车。仰卧蹬自行车。Similar to 仰卧起坐，仰卧 means laying down facing up. 蹬自行车 is ride a bicycle. So basically you're riding a bicycle, but you're laying down facing up. 仰卧蹬自行车，仰卧蹬自行车。This workout is to exercise your abs, which is 腹肌。腹肌 means your ab muscle. 腹肌。The next exercise is for your back, which what we called 背部训练 back workout. This workout is what we called Superman. 超人 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 Superman. 超人 Superman. 超人 Superman. Alright, so these are the workout that we usually do at home. Lastly, I want to talk a little bit about the workout gear that we regularly use. First of all, stationary bike. 健身自行车健身自行车 Treadmill 跑步机跑步机 Elliptical machine 椭圆机椭圆机 Barbell 杠铃杠铃 Dumbbell 哑铃哑铃 Exercise ball 健身球健身球 Kettlebell 壶铃壶铃 Yoga mat 瑜伽垫瑜伽垫 Resistance bands 阻力带阻力带阻力带 Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's workout session with us. I hope you learned essential words to describe home workout and also workout gears. If you liked today's video, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and ring the notification bell. And we will see you in my next Learn Chinese video. And also check out my English channel, Miss Ming Lifestyle, and also my Chinese channel, Miss Ming's channel. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Thumbs up. 再见。